if we discuss about the image formation, in convex lens, right? Because concave always make virtual image, so there are not such possibilities for concave lens that light rays are going to be merged or converge at some other point. So convex is converging lens, so that's why we discuss about the different position of object placed in front of a lens, right? So we are basically discussing about the image formation in convex lens. There are many possibilities that if image is placed very close to the lens, very far to the from the lens, or somewhere between f or close to f, so there are many possibilities. So if we discuss about some different positions of object, then identify the nature of image in the convex lens, right? Okay, our first condition is, let's suppose object is placed at 2f, right? This 2f means twice of the length of focal length, right? If we take or if we place an object on the double of the length of focal length, और अगर हम focal length को double करते हैं, let's suppose 10 centimeter is our focal length. So if we double the distance, so object is going to be placed at 20 centimeters, right?
Yes.
So let's suppose if object is placed at 2f, so again we consider first the principal axis. So this is our principal axis and there is a lens. ठीक है, मैं कॉन्वेक्स और कॉनकेव की डायग्राम डिफरेंट नहीं बना रहा क्योंकि हमें पता है हम कॉन्वेक्स को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो एक सिंगल स्ट्रेट लाइन, ठीक है.
Okay.
So in all conditions only we use convex lens, right? So let's suppose if there is a focal length, and if we double this distance, this is our 2f, right? And object is placed at a distance of 2f from lens. So this is our object, and let's draw focal length and 2f on the other side also at same distance. And if you want to observe the image formation in this situation when object is placed at 2f, so naturally the image is going to be formed on the 2f on the other side of the lens, right? There is also a practical demonstration of these image formation. I will send or share the video after this we discuss the conditions. So we can observe that how these images are going to be formed on the screen on other side of lens, right? So let's suppose if a straight light ray is going to pass through this lens, and let's suppose if light is moving with some angle or passing from the optical center. So there are two type of rays with different angle are going to be passed from object, right? और ऑब्जेक्ट से स्ट्राइक करने के बाद जब आपके पास लाइट रे लेंस के थ्रू पास होगी, सो इमेज की जो फॉर्मेशन होती है हमेशा वो आपके पास एट 2f पर ऑब्जेक्ट रखने पर इमेज भी आपके पास 2f पर बनेगी, राइट? Which means that all these rays are going to be merged at 2f, right?
Yes.
So the formation of the image is going to be at 2f, right? After discussing all the condition, so you remember all the conditions, all specific condition that where image is going to be formed at different position of the object. So it is very easy to draw the ray diagram, that we first draw the image of the object, then we just simply complete our ray diagram, right?
Yes.
So if we write some properties related to this situation, or in this particular condition, if we discuss about the nature of image, so what will be the nature of the image? First of all, you
Real.
need to identify, yes, the image is going to be real. The first property is image is going to be real one. And what about the orientation?
Inverted.
Yes, inverted, very good. And what about the size of image?
Same.
Yes, same size. So the image is going to be of same size as the size of the object, right? And if we discuss about the position of image, so image is going to be formed at 2f, right?
Yes.
Okay. And if we placed an object beyond 2f, right? Let's suppose in our second condition, object is going to be placed beyond 2f. So this is our second condition. When object is placed beyond 2f, which means that now object is placed far away from the twice of focal length, right? So again, we take the principal axis and there is a convex lens, right? And you need to draw focal length on both sides, right?
Yes.
So the focal length is somewhere at this point and at this point, and the twice of focal length is somewhere at this point, right? Now object is going to be placed beyond 2f, ठीक है? So object को हमने place कर दिया beyond 2f. So now what will be the formation of image? Again, take the same possibilities of rays that are going to be passed straight through the lens. So let's suppose if there is a straight line or a straight light ray passing through the lens, and the second one is going from the optical center, and you just need to remember one thing, that जब लाइट आपके पास ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास होती है तो वो बिना रिफ्रैक्ट हुए स्ट्रेट जाती है, राइट? क्योंकि वो ऑप्टिकल सेंटर है, वहां से आपके पास लेंस में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं होती, सेंटर उसका यूनिफॉर्म होता है, तो लाइट जो है वो रिफ्रैक्ट नहीं हो पाती, राइट? Okay, now so in this situation, image is going to be formed between f and 2f, right? So image is going to be formed between f and 2f. So the ray diagram, if we complete this ray diagram after passing through the lens, so light is going to be right.
Yes.
And if you want to write about the nature of the image, so what will be the nature of image? Is it real?
Yes.
Okay. What about the other one? Real.
Inverted.
Inverted.
Same sign.
अब इस सिचुएशन में थोड़ा सा आपके पास चेंज आएगा, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट अगर बहुत डिस्टेंस पे हो तो आपको वो इमेज सेम साइज की वहां पे नजर आएगी, या थोड़ी स्मॉल इमेज नजर आएगी?
Small.
स्मॉल, क्योंकि जब हम बाइनोकुलर्स और यूज करते हैं और टेलीस्कोप यूज करते हैं तो हमें एक्चुअल साइज उस ऑब्जेक्ट का नजर नहीं आता, क्योंकि वो हमारी लेंस के फोकस से बहुत डिस्टेंस पे, राइट? So that's why image is going to be small in size, and image is going to be formed between F and 2F, right? Any confusion?
No.
Okay. Now third condition में हम ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ प्लेस करें? हमने 2F पे ट्राई किया, बियॉन्ड 2F ट्राई किया, F और 2F के सेंटर में ट्राई करते हैं, राइट? Now object is going to be placed between F and 2F. आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो इमेज कहाँ बनेगी?
Beyond.
बियॉन्ड 2F?
Yes.
Yes, image is going to be formed beyond 2F, right? सिंपल सी टेक्निक है, सिंपल सा हैक है, इसके लिए आप याद रखना चाहो, आप जितना ऑब्जेक्ट को क्लोज लेकर आओगे लेंस के, इमेज उतना दूर शिफ्ट होती जाएगी, राइट? और जितना आप ऑब्जेक्ट को दूर डिस्टेंस पर लेकर जाओगे लेंस से, इमेज आपके पास लेंस के उतना क्लोज आ जाएगी, राइट? सो सिंपल सा आपके पास एक कंडीशन आपने याद रखनी है, तो आपको इमेज फॉर्मेशन में कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, राइट? तो अब आपने ऑब्जेक्ट को रखना है बिटवीन F एंड 2F. Object is going to be placed between F and 2F. And now image is going to be formed beyond 2F, right? And if you want to draw the ray diagram, so there is a straight light ray passing through the lens, and the other one is going from the optical center of the lens, right?
Yes.
So image is going to be placed at this point, right? So now if you want to write about the nature of the image, so what will be the nature of image? Real, inverted,
Inverted.
yes,
And bigger in size.
yes, very good. So enlarge or greater in size image is going to be formed, because now image is far away from the lens. So as far you away you move from the lens, so the distance is going to be increased and the height of the image is going to be also increased, right? And the image is going to be formed beyond 2F, right?